The social political climate in the Philippines continues to face serious challenges. Every day, we witness issues that affect our communities. Yet, many people still choose to remain silent, whether it's fear of judgment, online backlash, or simply the pressure to stay quiet. This silence weakens our ability to create change. Social media should be a space where voices are heard, where concerns are shared, and where people feel empowered to speak up. But too often, it becomes a place filled with negativity, misinformation, and comments that discourage meaningful conversation. This is why our advocacy focuses on encouraging everyone, especially the youth, to use social media responsibly, to speak up about social issues. We aim to inspire individuals to share their thoughts, raise awareness, and take part in discussions that matter. Through simple and engaging content like videos and posters, we hope to remind people that their voices carry power, that speaking up can create awareness, spark understanding, and push for positive change. And as a criminology students, we pursue this advocacy because we believe that justice begins with awareness. Speaking up is the first step in standing against wrongdoing, promoting accountability, and helping build a safer and more informed society. Your voice matters, online and beyond.
Super engaging. Grabe ang impact. Ngayon ko lang na-realize how our voice matters. Good job. Real. Don't be afraid to talk to other people. Ang ganda ng poster, super impactful ng message. Lalo na ngayon na social media era tayo. Totoo, hindi dapat tayo manahimik, especially kapag may important issues na kailangan pag-usapan.
I-share lang po namin itong flyers namin. Ito po ay para sa advocacy namin na may title na Breaking the Silence, a Student Advocacy for Awareness and Action. So, bala dito po sa advocacy namin na ito, ina-encourage po namin especially yung mga students na mag-speak up po sa mga social issues gamit po ang mga social media platforms. Ito po. Thank you. I-share lang po namin itong flyers namin. Para po ito sa advocacy namin na may title po na Breaking the Silence, a Student Advocacy for Awareness and Action. Dahil dito po sa advocacy namin, ina-encourage po namin especially yung mga students na mag-speak up sa mga social issues gamit ang social media platforms. Okay na po. Bali, good morning po. Bali, yung advocacy po namin is about breaking the silence at student advocacy for awareness and action. Bali, yung advocacy po namin tungkol po sa mga students na nag-speak up about social issues. Paano po kayo nag-speak up about social issues sa mga social media platform. Bali, ina-advocate po namin yung mga students na magsalita po para po ma-encourage po lahat ng tao na magkaroon ng positive actions and dapat po magsalita man tayo. Sana po maayos and meron pong kumbaga may knowledge and responsible po sa kanila mga sinasabi. Thank you po.
Hello po. Endorse ko lang po yung namin flyer. Tungkol po sa Students Advocacy for Awareness and Action. Ito po.
Hello, good afternoon. We are student from CR11 and nandito kami para mag-partnership sa student ng CCJE, Student Government. And ako po si Prince Forola and I'm with Ma'am Steph Cepida po.
And ngayon, kasama namin si Miss Ansaldo, ang Deputy Director ng Business Affairs ng CCJE Student Government. So, ang gusto namin explain is yung advocacy namin. Ang title is Breaking the Silence is Student Advocacy for Awareness and Action. So basically, yung advocacy namin is about sa students, lalo na tayo mga CCJE, na mag-speak up tungkol sa mga awareness na nangyayari dito sa Philippines. Kasi CCJE students, we are here para sa justice and para mas ma-spread yung mga issues lalo na kahit sa mga social media kasi alam naman natin na ang mga students is socially aware na ngayon, and hindi lang sa social media pero pati rin sa mga dito din, like mga projects tulad nung ginawa namin is nagbibigay kami ng flyers para maabot din sa ibang tao na hindi siya nakikita sa online. And then yung isa pa is yung video is ngayon is we are asking for your help po sana na para mas spread tong advocacy namin, if that's okay with you.
Yes, of course. Gawin na natin ang MOA. Yan talaga yun.
And so far, ito po yung infographics namin, and then we also made a video campaign about it. So we are grateful na you accepted our request. Thank you so much.
Our initiative, Breaking the Silence, set our plan in motion. We conducted extensive research and developed our core message, which is think before you click or post. We then created visual tools such as our infographics and 30-second advocacy campaign video to cut through the noise and share verified facts. To reach every student, not just those online, we are taking a multi-channel approach, which includes distributing physical flyers of our infographic. Furthermore, our implementation is strengthened by collaboration with school clubs, peers, and community groups, such as our critical partnership with the CCJE organization. This comprehensive step-by-step approach is how we, as aspiring criminology students dedicated to justice and accountability, ensure that every voice is not only heard but also leveraged to build a safer and more informed society.